YouTube, it is Chrissy with Candles by Chrissy. So this morning, it's currently 7:14 a.m. in the morning. I got on here this morning because I'm going to a vendor's event, and so I think it would be a cool idea to take you guys with me and show you what I do at a vendor's event. And then this is not my first one. This is actually my second one doing one with someone else, because I throw vendor events myself. I host vendor events myself, and then we'll get more into that in another video. But for right now, we're going to a cloggers event. And so what it is arts and craft fair, and they throw it like every year. I think it's like their 36th annual one, and it's in Greenfield, Indiana. I live closer to that, kind of, so it's like 55 minutes away from me. So I got up early to get dressed, let the car warm up. My car was packed yesterday. I packed everything yesterday, and so I got up early this morning. I'm on my way to get me some coffee, and then I'm heading straight there. So if you're not familiar with cloggers, they're like the culture is they wear these hard wooden shoes, and they dress up in these like vintage dresses, and they clog and dance. And you have to know, the reason why I'm going to this event is because my friend signed up for this event, and she couldn't make it, and we worked together. So I went on ahead and decided to go anyway, because we were going to partner together and do she'll have a table and I'll have a table, but it looked like one table. We always kind of split those type of events that are higher or high end, just because we know we're going to get customers and we're going to get a good base of people that come out to our table. So we kind of join in together on that. And right now she's currently in Chicago doing another event because it's Mother's Day weekend. Yes, it's Mother's Day weekend, and I'm working on Mother's Day weekend. Yes, I'm always working, so just get in tune with that. But so yeah, so we decided to sign up for this event. I let her go down to Chicago. I took over this one, and so I have some of her items and I have some of mine. That's why I'm bringing her up. And yeah, and so she makes glam lamps, but we make stuff targeted to the audience. This time I was like, you know what, they need to get in tune with Juneteenth candles and things like that. And so I have my Mother's Day candles and my Juneteenth candles. It's not really a all black or a black owned or black small business type event. It's more towards white people, but that is still my audience. And so I want to capture every moment of every customer and show them that, you know, Candles by Chrissy is diverse, you know what I mean, and I have things for everyone, and they love me, and you know, they love candles. Who doesn't love candles? I mean, like, really, come on. So anyways, I'm talking enough. I don't want this video too long, so I'll see you when I get back, when I get to the vendors event. And so here's Candles by Chrissy. And the other table is glam lamps. And so I have my Mother's Day candles out for people to smell, and my business cards and my logo. I need to scoop this box back because it's just poking out too much. This is what you do at a vendor event. You know, you get your table together, logo, and you kind of set it up in a way where, so normally I'll have like a shelf and things like that, but I was rushing, so I just wanted to show you some of the things that I had. And so I always like turn on the lights so people can see that they work. Here's very pretty. Thank you. This is a vendor next to me. I'm doing YouTube. And this is some more vendors. I'm doing YouTube, sorry. So yeah, I signed up for this event. It's very, very cool. It's Cincy.
Hello.
Hi. and these pretty cool tree things, and they just all these spiritual crystals and things like that. Hi, how are you? So I'm just showing you guys how long it goes. It goes like, it's really long. Okay. And paparazzi, of course. Different vendors, so I just wanted to like show you guys what I was doing today and try to let you guys know like how I do my vendor events and stuff like that and set up. So yeah, so I'll check back in with you guys when I am like in the middle of things. Okay, bye. One of the vendors that sell these made me this, and he told me a special little thing. So I'll tell you guys towards the end of the video on this, what the meaning of this is. I truly appreciate it. It was so awesome. Like, I felt special. Ew, look at this nasty ass bump. Hey YouTube, so I am done with the vendor fee, or the vendor event. I said vendor fee, oh my god. I'm done with the vendor event and I am on my way home. And so it went very well, and we sold out. So I always make about 20 candles for each vendor party, because you never know how it's gonna be, so I don't want to make too much. So I make 10 of each kind. Only bring 2 scents out, because I always try to advertise people to go to my website and Amazon for the other scents that I sell. Sorry, I'm not looking in the camera, I'm driving at the same time and like trying to, yeah. So we sold out. We had great connections. We also had got a like a Google base, basically. It's called free chalk or something like that. I'll put the link and all of that in the description box, and it's basically another place where you can advertise your business for free, and it kind of connects with Google, so it's a good thing. A lady that was promoting it, yeah, she came up to me and was like, hey, I want to put Candles by Chrissy on free chalk or something like that. I think that's what it's called. And I was like, cool, you know, like, we need promotion. My hair is a mess, I look a mess. I'm so sorry about this video. Like, it's just, yeah, it's time for me to let this hair go. So I was waiting for Mother's Day to be over with, okay? So yeah, so it was really cool. I got to, you know, be in a different culture, see things. And also, I do want to let y'all know, it was Scentsy there and another candle company. I don't even really think that they got touched. I think they sold a little bit, so they were kind of mad. They were giving me the eye, rather, I'll just say that. And yeah, so I'm not going to mention their names or whatever, but it happens. Vendor events are very competitive. People try to like be in a space where other products are not being sold as the same as theirs. I had soy wax candles, of course, and I promoted them. So did the other company. And Scentsy has like I don't even think they're soy, I think they're something else, but anyways, they had their products. And so it was me, another vendor that had like fragrances, and then Scentsy, and they they really didn't sell, but the vendor in the middle, they were very great. I made a connection. I really liked them. There were a couple, and they do more of scents for your trash cans and, you know, things like that you could just put stuff in your trash can, and it, you know, your outside trash can, indoor trash can, and it takes the scent away. So yeah, it was pretty cool to be around different people in a different culture and still be able to sell. And believe it or not, our Juneteenth candles sold really well at this event, and I'm just appreciative, you know. So yeah, so that was the end of the event. And you're always pooped after. You have to carry your stuff and stuff like that. I recommend that you get a cart where you can put some stuff on and be able to carry a lot at one time, because if you don't, you'll kind of like overwhelm yourself. And then also I recommend, just even if you don't sell that day at an event, still try to walk around, connect with people, and get a feel of what you may need to add to your table so you can sell more. So I want to thank you guys for tuning into this video. If you like what you saw, please like, share, and subscribe. What are you waiting for? I mean, Candles by Chrissy is like showing you everything you need to start a candle business. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.